55 years ago, the first humans to walk on the Moon departed from Launch Complex 39A. Today, Blue Ghost Mission 1 lifts off from this historic site. 1 year has passed since NASA's first two commercial lunar payload services, CLPS, landers made their tentative steps towards the Moon. While neither mission was a complete success, they taught NASA and its commercial partners valuable lessons about developing affordable lunar landers. Now, NASA is ready to try again with two more closely spaced missions, starting with Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost Mission 1. Blue Ghost launched on January 15 atop a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket and remains in an elliptical Earth orbit, performing system checkouts. The mission appears to be proceeding according to plan, a positive omen for Firefly's lunar ambitions. The CLPS program, created in 2018, funds the development of small lunar landers built by startups, serving as precursors for the Artemis program. Thomas Zurbuchen compared the missions to shots on goal in soccer, understanding that not all payloads would make it to the Moon intact. However, the surviving probes would theoretically produce more scientific discoveries than a single traditional spacecraft with an equivalent cost. To date, NASA has awarded CLPS contracts to 5 commercial vendors, with Firefly Aerospace being one of the clear winners. Firefly's Blue Ghost lunar lander is scheduled to deliver 3 suites of payloads to the lunar surface over the coming years. Each Blue Ghost mission will feature growing complexity and increasingly valuable scientific payloads. If the current test flight is successful, Firefly will launch a radio telescope to the far side of the Moon next year. The grand finale will be a mission to the Gruithuisen Domes, one of the Moon's most enigmatic geologic features. Blue Ghost Mission 1 opens a new phase in the CLPS program, with higher stakes missions and customized payloads. Blue Ghost can deliver up to 150 kilograms of scientific instruments to the Moon, sufficient for deploying drills, experiment packages, and small rovers. Preparations for the first Blue Ghost mission began in 2021. With a $101 million contract awarded to Firefly Aerospace. Firefly launched the spacecraft less than 4 years later, an impressive feat in the realm of interplanetary missions. The mission patch for Blue Ghost Mission 1 draws inspiration from the iconic shape of interstate road signs. Firefly claims to be more vertically integrated than other CLPS vendors, building the entire lander itself. Blue Ghost was assembled inside a cleanroom at Firefly's headquarters in Austin, Texas, reducing the probability of quality control issues. By October 2023, Blue Ghost's framework resembled a lunar lander, and it was shipped to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory for vacuum testing. Blue Ghost was encapsulated inside a Falcon 9 payload fairing and launched alongside the smaller iSpace Hakuto R lander. Blue Ghost Mission 1 got underway in the early morning hours of January 15, with a flawless launch and separation. The hours following a spacecraft's separation from its launch vehicle are among the most hazardous of any mission. Fortunately, Blue Ghost's commissioning was uneventful, with no serious anomalies emerging. Blue Ghost will spend 45 days in space before attempting to land on the Moon, providing ample time to resolve any technical issues. NASA and Firefly quickly activated all 10 of Blue Ghost's payloads, confirming they survived the vibrations and G-forces of launch. Blue Ghost carries 12 commercial cameras built by Redwire, capturing beautiful images and monitoring payloads. On January 21, a camera on Blue Ghost's top deck captured a rare eclipse of the Sun by the Earth. One of Blue Ghost's cameras also captured a magnificent view of the full disk of the Earth, reminiscent of the iconic